In this video, what are the SQL cross-join, inner-join, and union clause statement language elements? You will learn about some of the advanced SQL statements and clause commands for cross-join, inner-join, and union language elements. In the previous video, what is the SQL create table clause statement language element? We used the create table statements to create new tables, T1 and T2, in the RealParse sample database. Now, we join these two tables using the join statement. Okay, let's first join the tables using the cross-join statement that I'm writing into the SQL Query tab based on the column ID in both tables. Let's try this statement. I press the Execute SQL Query button to run the cross-join statement. The result will be displayed in the Output panel. As you can see, each row in the T1 table with column ID combines with rows in the T2 table with column ID to form the Cartesian product result. At RealParse, we love helping you learn. So if you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it, click the like button. Subscribe and click the bell, and you'll receive notifications of new RealParse videos, so you'll never miss another one. To form an inner join, you will need a condition that is known as a join predicate. An inner join requires rows in the two joined tables to have matching column values. The inner join creates the result by combining column values of two joined tables based on the join predicate. This is another example of the SQL statement used to join the T1 and T2 tables. The inner join compares each row in the first table with each row in the second table to find pairs of rows that satisfy the join predicate. Whenever the join predicate is satisfied by matching non-null values, column values for each matched pair of rows of these two tables are included in the result set. In this statement, the T1.pattern equals to T2.pattern expression is the join predicate. I will start by writing the inner join statement, which I just explained, into the SQL Query tab. Let's try this statement. I press the Execute Query button to run the inner join statement. The result will display the records with ID columns, where T1.pattern equals to T2.pattern. When we review the contents of both tables T1 and T2, having records where the column pattern data are equal, we see T1 and T2 IDs are respectively 2A and 3B. The union operator allows you to combine two or more result sets of queries into a single result set. This statement will eliminate duplicate rows. Our final result set, which is created by the union statement, is shown here. Let's create new tables and perform a union statement and review the result. These drop table statements will delete the earlier two tables, T1 and T2. And these create table statements will create two more tables, T1 and T2. And these insert into statements will add a few values to column ID in both tables, T1 and T2. Okay, let's run these statements in my SQL workbench. I press the Execute Query button to run these SQL statements. I will refresh the Navigator panel by selecting the Refresh button. I then expand the items of T1 and T2 tables to see the ID column I created for each of these tables. I right-click over the T1 table item in the Navigator panel and choose Select Rows, Limit 1000. By doing this, the records of the T1 table will be displayed in the Output panel. I do the same procedure as I did for the T1 table to see the records of the T2 table. Now, I return to the SQL Query tab and start writing the union statement to combine T1 and T2 tables into a single result set. Let's try this statement by pressing the Execute Query button. In the Output panel, the result displays only records having column ID that are distinct between the two tables. T1 table records and T2 table records have IDs 2 and 3 that are not distinct, so the result displays a record set displaying only 4 of the total 6 records. To learn more about MySQL and additional SQL statements, we encourage you to visit the MySQL website. You can find the link to this website in the description below. This concludes the video. What are the SQL cross-join, inner join, and union clause statement language elements? I hope you have enjoyed learning about structured query language. If you would like to get additional training on a similar subject, please let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. Please check back with us soon for more automation control topics.